One vegetable overlooked far too often and not included in many meal plans is asparagus. But if you want to see optimal health, this green can help get you there. Asparagus may seem rather bland and boring, but do not be misled. There are some great tasting ways you can prepare it so it becomes a regular part of your menu. Why eat asparagus? Let's look at the biggest reasons to consider including this in your weekly meal plan. 1. Diuretic properties. First, one great fact about asparagus is it acts as a diuretic in the body, so by eating it, you will help to flush out some of the excess water retention you are experiencing. This is ideal because water retention can progress and lead to feelings of bloat and also help make you feel less confident about your body. Many people, in fact, mistake water retention for fat gain, so it can get you down if you happen to be dieting as well. Eat some asparagus, and you may find you look leaner than ever. 2. High in dietary fiber. Another benefit of asparagus is it is a very rich source of dietary fiber. Like most vegetables, this will help to combat blood sugar fluctuations and ensure you are keeping your energy on an even keel. The dietary fiber in asparagus can also help to lower your cholesterol levels, reducing your risk of heart disease or heart attack. 3. Blood pressure lowering effects. Because asparagus does help to act as a diuretic in the body, this can also mean it goes a long way towards lowering your overall blood pressure levels. For those who are at risk for high blood pressure and heart disease, it should be a mainstay in your meal plans. There is also a particular compound in asparagus called 2-dihydroxynicotianamine, which helps to prevent the function of a specific enzyme that causes the restriction of blood vessels. When blood vessels are not restricted, then the blood pressure readings are usually lower. 4. Helps with blood sugar control. Asparagus also earns top marks for helping those who are trying to manage their type 2 diabetes. By eating asparagus, you can improve the function of the beta cells in your pancreas, which helps to improve the overall insulin production. Higher levels of insulin in your body will give you better control over your blood sugar levels. As you can see, it is one vegetable you will not want to miss out on. When was the last time you included asparagus in your menu?